Welcome to DS Core General. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the integrated intraoral camera from Primescan 2 as an aid for caries detection. First, let's start by scanning the patient. While taking a scan with the Primescan 2, you can capture photos that will serve as interpretation aids for diagnosing surface and proximal caries. This section provides instructions on how to navigate using only the scanner. Alternatively, these steps can also be performed on the screen. To take photos, switch from 3D to 2D mode by triple tapping on your device during the scan phase. Then, double tap on the Primescan 2 to switch between conventional photo, near-infrared and fluorescence modes. Once you've selected the desired mode, single tap on the Primescan 2 to take a photo. Alternatively, you can take a photo from within DS Core with a click of a button. You don't really have to take a scan, but if you get a chance to try out Primescan 2, you won't be able to say no. You'll get what I mean once you try it. Anyways, after taking the photos, they will be displayed in the catalogue and added to the patient media. To visually communicate a caries diagnosis, go to the patient media, select the required intraoral images, and load them into the canvas. You can put these images side by side with intraoral x-rays to have a more visual and engaging patient communication and explain the treatment needs to the patient. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching!